As our guide explains, American explorer Hiram Bingham III rediscovered Machu Picchu in 1911.
When the Professor Bingham first came here, all this complex was completely covered by dense vegetation. Dr. Bingham went to explore and was taking the first picture of this city. He was reporting mummies, textile, potteries, some metal tools, and he said, I didn't find any gold or silver. But we know that all the Inca city like this one have a lot of treasure. I think it is in his private familiar museum.
And though he claimed to have never found any treasure here, it's noted that Hiram was mysteriously more wealthy after his time in Peru. Regardless of if he found treasure or not, it was Hiram's work that brought the world's attention to Machu Picchu.